ikaw na.
My name. Good afternoon to everybody. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Aliana G. I'm Mathematico.
Hi.
I am 5 years old.
Representing
My mother.
my mother's
Dito ka na.
Baka naman may mabuhay pa yan.
My mother's name, Mona Lisa Mathematico. My father's name, Jerry. Representing
kindergarten.
kindergarten.